This is the second grade small group for September 6th. Sorry, these are out of order. I put them in one order and then I decided that it made sense to go a different direction because this last one you can kind of go as long as you want. So first thing to do today is counting rope with calendar and equations. You're pretty familiar with this. Today is September 6th. So what equations could we make? 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4. Anyway, record those with kids. You know the drill on that one. This is new. Their multiples book. Each student is going to get one of these blank books. They'll write their name on it here. And then what they'll do is at the top for this first rule, we're going to write that these are our tens. And this is really where we're going to highlight our numbers when we're counting by tens. Students will use crayon, but they want to use yellow for tens. They want to use blue for tens. It matches the color on their pattern sticks and also on our number line, the blue dots. And so what they're going to go through and do is they're going to say, okay, when I count by tens, I start with 10, 20, 30, and then hopefully they'll start to go, oh my goodness, it's making a pattern. I just 40, 50, 60. And a lot of times after that, kids will want to go straight down. That's fine. And we'll start using this so they can actually go higher with their 5s and their 2s when they're counting by those numbers. After they've done their 10s, their 5s will be the yellow ones. So they would write that these are their 5s. And then same thing. We'll start off just 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and they'll probably discover the pattern and just want to go straight down, which is completely fine. Once they have colored them, you can go back and count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It'll just take you a lot farther than the pattern sticks did. And then your last one for today that we're going to put in our multiples book are their 2s. And this one will take a little longer. For our 2s, we're going to use red. My highlighter's pink. They'll have red crayons. But they'll just go again 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Oh, I see the pattern. And they'll probably want to do that. And that is completely fine. Sometimes they get really sloppy. Do your best to try and get them to stay nice and neat. I'll give you extra books too if someone needs to start over. But then after that, then we can really count by 2s for a long time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is really my priority for today is getting this finished. If you are done with this and there still is time, this is when I want you to play Find the Number. All Find the Number is each student will get a hundreds chart. And then this is just a little canister with these different place value chips in it. You just give each kid one so they can choose what color they want. It really doesn't matter. And then you would just call out a number, like you might say 18, and they need to find the 18. Once everyone's found 18, it's up to you, any number you want. 45, 93, 72. It's just totally random. And you can start to pick up on which ones they're having the most trouble with. Like if they're able to get 50, they find their 51s, but they can't find the 50. That can be tricky. You can play that just as long as you have left. That's it for today. Enjoy teaching. Thank you.